So this question from PCE 2005, question 44, where we're told if P is equal to bracket open 1 theory minus 4 minus 2 bracket close, and Q is equal to bracket open theory 2 2 1 bracket close. What is the matrix PQ? Quickly we write solution. Next, we quickly recall that in multiplication of matrix by matrix, the operation is carried out by multiplying rows by columns. Therefore, PQ is equal to bracket open. Our value for P is 1 3 minus 4 minus 2 bracket close. Our value for Q is bracket open 3 2 2 1 bracket close. Now, having done this, we proceed to our multiplication operation. So we have bracket open 1 times 3 plus 3, right, times 2. Next we have 1 times 2 plus 3 times 1. We move down and we have minus 4 times 3 plus bracket open minus 2 bracket close times 2, and we have lastly minus 4 times 2 plus bracket open minus 2 bracket close times 1 bracket close. This is equal to bracket open. We have 3 times 1, 3, plus 3 times 2, 6, plus 2 times 1, 2, plus 3 times 1, 3. Move down and we have a minus 4 times 3, give us minus 12. Now we have plus bracket open, minus 2, bracket close, times 2. This will give us minus 4. And lastly, we have minus 4 times 2, giving us minus 8. And we have plus bracket open, minus 2, bracket close, times 1. These all give us minus 2, or bracket close. Finally, we have this to be equal to bracket open 3 plus 6 gives us 9, 2 plus 3 gives us 5, minus 12 minus 4 gives us minus 16, minus 8 minus 2 gives us minus 10, bracket close. This means that our answer is bracket open 9, 5, minus 16, minus 10, bracket close. Thank you.